all about you. It's all about the youth. Applying. Do you realize that? How precious and important you are? All our efforts, sports, and everything, it's all about preparing you for the present and for the future. And so do not be thinking that ang kadua, anak na kay kaya, adalang nalumit, malita kay kaya. You know, I feel so bad hearing that after one incident of suicide, there's another one that happened. And I would really like to go get into the minds of our youth today. What's on your mind? I'm not FD. But I would like to understand what's on your mind. What's happening? Di fear ko pa yan, makakbalin nga at tumulan. Ang invented suicide. Balik ka na hero. Far be that it will happen. O, pati yung kaanakan, kada post na kastoy. Kaya kasalakan nung kapatid mong kanta. Pagpanunutin niyo ba nung apay na kung sa kinyayo? Pagpanunutin niyo ba nung apay na masusunod ni teacher? Problema lang ang kailangan na kayo na maging consistent. Nga as an advisor and as a guidance counselor. We were discussing there, di ba? Do you have to be bipolar? Do you have to be a different person as a teacher and as a guidance counselor? Do you mean to say you're acting out there like this and then you come out as another actress as a guidance counselor? When you are one and the same person? What's important is that they understand the essence of who you are. That beyond the discipline in the classroom, you are a person who is caring, you are a person who loves them, you are a person who wants the best for them. I was a teacher, and I scolded people in the classroom, but they know that I care for them. They know that I love them. And you do not have the right to be getting angry and to be hurting people if you do not care. Because the first factor before you can even hurt others is that be sure that you are doing that because you care. And that is the essence of who you are as a person. You do not have to pretend to be another here and another there. And we ask our students, you have to understand that there are rules in life. In a classroom, there are rules. Wherever you go, no makakati, no makakati uniform, makakati school na on the rules na the uniform. Pagkino ka school na on the rule na. I don't know if you can find one because in life, that's what it is. Even when you get out of school, the real world is full of rules. And so you've got to learn it in your home and in the classroom. I'm sorry, I've got to be strong on this one. It's not about that we do not care. Ay, kung mo yung mga amin, pagpalunutin ng daw, bigat, rakiki, tahayo, di pagpalunutin. Ang kaya tanakas dyan. And then, pas-pasama, kapay nga dati, ma-depress. Kapay nga dati, hindi kita. So we want to understand you. I asked Jairus, hindi kita taga Santa Maria, I want to understand. Nasingpad ka, ayan, nabutan ka, panunutin yung ano, kay may bautan, mga kayo nga, nagigyan kayo yung kwarto, sa cellphone the whole day, nangarabingin the assignment, haginaw, haan, niya. Awan, tiyo mo nga trabaho din ng cellphone, sino tinawas mo nun? Sige man, hindi ko punta kayo at awan, kasi awan ay tingtingin. O kayo respeto, nalay kayo sumubati ng kintakan, nalay kayo sumubati teacher, kasi ano kayo kita? Sino tayo nagawin? Tapos na nagawin na, ako nasaktan, nagpakamatay, bitin. My goodness. Pautin na ng tupay. Please try to understand. We care for you.